Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I've got a haul for you. Did a little shopping on Amazon, thanks in large part to y'all watching my videos. I'm reinvesting in the channel, so that's what I do with my $100 that I get every 3 months from YouTube. Anyway, I picked up some stuff specifically for 13 days of Resinween, so I need y'all to stick with me here. I'm not going to make any of these today, but I will be making at least one of them on Thursday, so stay tuned for that. But I just wanted to show you guys all the goodies. I say all the goodies, the handful of goodies that I got. So I got this mold. I feel like this was a Let's Resin. No, it's an Isseve. Okay. ISSEVE. So this is a company that I've really enjoyed their molds. I feel like they have the same quality as Let's Resin. This is a square mold. It's a little bent out of shape right now, but that's okay. What I plan to do with this is make it into a shadow box. So thin layer of resin, vinyl, thin layer resin, vinyl, etc., etc. So that's what this is for. This is going to take a lot of resin. This is a deep mold. Okay. This I was super excited to see. I kind of put Amazon on most recent releases, and this came up. So this is an owl with skull, and it is a candle wall holder. So it comes with a little candle holder that goes into it. It's very cool looking. I cannot wait to try this one. So excited for it. Next, these came in a little box, but I took them out just to give them time to bounce back and breathe. So they've already got a little bit of kitty glitter on them. These are little ghosties. Look how cute. Aren't they adorable? And this one's asking for uppies. So stinking cute. I love them. Again, another one that I cannot wait to play with. I can't wait to play with all of these, to be honest with you. Okay. These are a lot smaller than I thought they would be, which is on me, mostly because they're meant to be earrings, so of course they wouldn't be as large as I was expecting, right? They do come with the earring posts, or the little hooks for the earrings, but they're little skeleton pieces and skeleton kits. So you get the head, rib cage, pelvis, femur, and leg bone? Or is the... which one? Wait, which one is the femur? I don't know. Either way. And then you get the arm bits. But I'm not seeing... oh, I guess there are hands in there. Okay, never mind. I was feeling real stupid there. Oh, and there are feet in there too. They're so tiny I couldn't even tell. So there's the little feet. The little toesies. And then the little hand. Cute, but you get 2 molds in this set. So that's good. So you could technically make 2 sets of earrings in one, but I do plan to make a couple of sets of earrings for my housemate's daughters, but I also plan to make some keychains, because I think keychains would be really cute. Okay, this next set I got specifically because I thought it was for Halloween, and then I got it and I realized that it is very much a Disney set. Not exactly what I was going for, but these are pop socket molds. You get 2, 4, 6, 8 in the set. Plus, it comes with black and white pop sockets. I've already got a bunch of pop sockets as well. I got these because I thought they were really cool. Because they looked like Halloween. And so as I was looking at it, I was like, oh, you know, Jack Skellington, Sally, Oogie Boogie, you know. And then I saw the castle and the Harry Potter. And the Harry Potter. This is really cool. This is like the poison apple from, was it Sleeping Beauty? Is that what that one is, I think? And then you've got the sugar skull right here. So, I'm still excited to try these. Harry Potter, to me, does have a lot of Halloween vibes to it. So, you know, we'll try them out and see how they look. I'm also kind of concerned at how chunky these are, but I don't know. I guess we'll test them out. If they work, that's a good thing. Okay, and the last mold set that I got are these bonefish. And I got these for a particular reason. My housemate's eldest daughter is really into an anime. And I will insert the name and picture of this anime right here because I have no clue. But one of the characters is surrounded by dead fish bones floating around him, I guess. So she was thinking that she wanted to do that for Halloween costumes. So I picked up some of these. They're very, very thin. Like, that's the mold itself. And then, you know, it has a base to it. So you can think of how thin these are going to be. I feel like these would make really excellent bookmarks as well. So I will be making these for Thursday. She wants a set of bone-colored fish. But the final thing that I got that has been on my wish list, you guys, for about a year, are the Let's Resin acrylic paint markers. I finally pulled the trigger and bought these. I'm excited to try them out. I'm hoping that they work really well. Should we give them a try on the box? Should we see how they look on the box? Okay. So, there's black sides on here, so let's see. So I think this is dual tip. So we've got a chisel tip side. And then is this the brush side? Yes, a brush tip side. Do I have to prime these first? Let me grab some paper towel. I'm sure you guys have already seen these. You know, if you're into resin at all, you probably have had these for ages. I, however, am not so lucky. Okay. You can't tell if anything's coming out. Wait, is that how I do it? Knock, shake, air out, press, recap. Okay. Knock it? What does knock it mean? Let me in. Shake. Air it out. Press. Oh, there we go. It's starting to come out, I think. So this is white, so we'll do a W. Well, I was only going to write a W, but then, oh, that's nice. Okay, white. This one is, they don't have the colors written on here. Okay. Well, anyway, this one is a brown. Oh, you guys aren't even seeing that. My bad. Okay. Okay. Wait, is this a brown or is this a gold? It's a chocolate, but I'm gonna write brown. Okay. There's a purple. This is my first set of acrylic paint markers, by the way. I've only ever had alcohol markers. Come on. Hello. There we go. Let's see. Purple. Ooh, that's pretty. I have the worst handwriting. It looks like a third grader. Okay, yellow. I don't exactly know what I want to do with these yet when it comes to resin. I'm not a good artist. Oh, wow, that is opaque and I love it. Okay. Let's see, gold. Let me show you guys these while I'm doing that. Those are looking great. Wow. I mean, just look. Look at how opaque that is. Okay. Gold. Wow. That's super pretty. I do have an idea that I've been wanting to try. I just have to get off of my booty and talk to my sister about sending me a couple of stamp sets from her collection. Okay, so red. Nice. Is this at all interesting? I'm sorry. Half of y'all are probably already gone. Okay. Blue is my favorite color. Here we go. Ooh, blue is pretty. And I did not mean to put red, white, and blue right next to each other. What's this one? Ooh, black. Black I'm super interested in. I really want to see how this turns out on there. Because we're writing on black, let's write this on the white label. Okay. Nice. These are great so far. I'm loving them. Just like my alcohol markers, I'll probably be storing these horizontally instead of vertically. All right, pink. Wow, that's bright. Ooh, I love that. That is vibrant as hell. Ooh, yeah. Again, I bought these with my own money. This is not sponsored, but let's resin. Let's talk, let's resin. Come on, baby. This is the green. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I like how bright that is. All right, two more, you guys. Two more, and then I'm done. This is an orange. Of course, I assume this means that I'm going to have to prime the chisel tip as well. Orange looks like it wants to come out, but it's not. There we go. All right. Okay, not nearly as opaque as the other ones, but that may also be user error. Maybe I didn't shake it up enough. Okay, and the last one is silver, I believe. I'm also not trying to smash the tip. Okay. Silver. Ooh. Ooh, that's nice. Alright, y'all. Well, that's all of the colors. They're very, very pretty. Now I just need to find a place to keep these. So we've got white, brown, purple, yellow, gold, black, red, blue, pink, green, orange, and silver. Very nice. So you get 12 pieces. Not sure what I paid for any of this stuff. Hopefully Editing Me will have added in the prices for everything. But yeah, I'm really, really happy with how those look. So anyway, so that is today's video. Sorry it's a little boring, but definitely stay tuned for Thursday when I make some bonefish. Okay? Alright, yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Do the YouTubey things, like, subscribe, all that stuff. Leave me a comment. Tell me if you've picked up anything really cool recently that I might want to check out. Anyway, I hope that you guys have a fantastic day. Take care.